Hey everyone, let's talk hydration. We all know how important it is to stay hydrated, but sometimes plain water can feel a bit, well, boring. So today I'm sharing some creative infused water ideas to keep you refreshed and excited about drinking water. First off, why is hydration so crucial? Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and staying hydrated helps with everything from digestion to maintaining energy levels, and even keeping our skin glowing. Plus, it can help curb those pesky cravings. All right, let's dive into some fun and tasty infused water recipes. Recipe number 1, citrus mint splash. Grab slices of lemon, lime, and a few fresh mint leaves. Pop them into your water bottle and fill it up with cold water. Let it sit for about 30 minutes, and you've got yourself a zesty, refreshing drink that's perfect for any time of day. Next up, recipe number 2, berry bliss. Mix a handful of fresh or frozen berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries with a couple of basil leaves. This combo not only tastes amazing, but it also adds a beautiful pop of color to your water. Just let it infuse for a bit and enjoy. Now, if you're in the mood for something a little more exotic, try recipe number 3, tropical twist. Combine chunks of pineapple, mango, and a few slices of fresh ginger. This one will transport you straight to a tropical paradise with every sip. The ginger adds a nice kick and also has some great anti-inflammatory benefits. For those who love a bit of a spa-like experience, recipe number 4, cucumber melon cooler. Thinly slice some cucumber and honeydew melon and add them to your water. This combo is super hydrating and has a delicate, refreshing flavor that's perfect for a hot day. And finally, recipe number 5, apple cinnamon delight. Slice up an apple and add a few cinnamon sticks to your water. This one is great for fall and gives your water a warm, cozy flavor without any added sugars. So there you have it. 5 delicious and simple infused water recipes to keep you hydrated and happy. Remember, you can always mix and match ingredients to find your perfect flavor combination. The key is to make hydration enjoyable, so you'll be motivated to drink more water throughout the day. If you like these ideas, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and recipes. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.